Hey there, fellow investors. Ever wondered if that cute little acorn app is actually costing you a fortune? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of acorns. Specifically, we're tackling the burning question, does acorns charge a fee? Now, let's get real. Acorns isn't a completely free ride. Like most investment platforms, they have their own set of fees. But here's the good news, they're generally pretty transparent about it. The primary fee you'll encounter is the management fee. This is typically a small percentage of your invested assets, usually around 0.3%. So, if you have $1,000 invested, you'd be looking at a $3 annual fee. But wait, there's more. Acorns also offers a premium tier called Acorns Later. This is designed for retirement savings and comes with a slightly higher management fee, usually around 0.5%. Transition to a more casual, relatable visual, perhaps a split-screen comparison. Now, let's put things into perspective. How does Acorns' fee structure compare to other investment platforms? Well, it's definitely on the lower end. Many traditional brokerage firms charge significantly higher fees, especially for smaller accounts. But here's the catch, Acorns also has some other fees you should be aware of. Early withdrawal fees, if you withdraw funds before a certain time frame, you might face penalties. Overdraft fees, if your linked bank account doesn't have enough funds to cover a recurring investment, you could incur overdraft charges from your bank. Now, let's talk about how these fees impact your returns. Even small fees can eat into your investment gains over time. This is known as the drag effect. For example, let's say you invest $10,000 and earn an average annual return of 7%. Over 20 years, those Acorns fees could potentially reduce your overall returns by a few $1,000s. Of course, the actual impact of fees will depend on various factors, such as your investment amount, your risk tolerance, and your investment time frame. Transition to a more visually appealing section, perhaps a montage of diverse people using the Acorns app. So, is Acorns worth it? Ultimately, that's a personal decision. Here are a few things to consider. Your investment goals, are you saving for retirement, buying a house, or building an emergency fund? Your investment timeline, how long do you plan to invest your money? Your risk tolerance, how comfortable are you with market fluctuations? Your budget, can you afford the management fees? Your investment knowledge, are you comfortable managing your own investments, or do you prefer a hands-off approach? Acorns can be a great option for beginners who are looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing. It's also a good choice for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Transition to a more visually engaging section, perhaps a quick tip or a call to action. However, it's important to understand the fees involved and how they can impact your returns. Here are a few tips for minimizing the impact of fees. Maximize your contributions. The more you invest, the lower the percentage impact of the management fee. Invest for the long term. The longer your investment horizon, the less impact fees will have on your overall returns. Consider alternative investment options. Research other low-cost investment platforms to compare fees and features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.